Place the thread and insert the appropriate thread cap. Pass through the hook, pass through the clip. Hold the thread under the bobbin winding pretension disc to hold the line in place. Then follow the guide path. Wrap 5/6 of the thread around the bobbin case. And use the blade at the bottom to cut off the excess thread. Pull the bobbin to the right. At this time, the screen will prompt you that you are ready, and then just click Start. The bobbin winding stops automatically when the bobbin is full. Use scissors to cut it, and you will get a new bobbin.